Opening statements will begin Monday in the federal hate crimes trial against these three men convicted of murdering Ahmaud Arbery. It's been a week of jury selection in Glynn County.
News4Jax reporter MARILYN Parker joins us live from the federal courthouse in Brunswick. MARILYN, the judge presiding over the case decided they reached enough potential jurors.
And we're at 64 potential jurors. That's out of the 700 to 800 jurors that have been questioned. And the judge, she commended the process of casting the pool so wide, and they were able to do this in what she feels is a rational amount of time. So today we heard from panels 9 and 10. We are told that, listening in, there was an emotional group. One woman cried on the bench, and we heard her sobbing leaving the courtroom. She was excused along with another woman who the judge said appeared to be angry at her responses to some of the attorney's questions. And though they won't be in that pool, the Arbery family did have a few things to say. I want to quote Marcus Arbery. Here he is. Take a listen to what he had to say.
I wouldn't care if that was a white kid. If that would have happened to a white kid, I'd have some motion. If you got a heart and you care about children, you're going to have some motion when you see a kid get killed like that on hate and racism. So,
and you heard people saying that they were triggered by all of this. It's painful. I mean, hate crimes aren't pretty. So that's why when people talk about it's a hoax and it's only for money and all the rest of it, it's a real form of racial denial in our society.
And that was also Barbara Arnwine. She is the president and CEO of the Transformative Justice Coalition. So here's what happens next. Monday, the potential jurors will be called back for additional questioning. The judge says the attorneys will be able to ask a few questions, but she didn't specify exactly how many. Then the attorney preemptive strikes will happen. We're told they will randomly draw 36 of them to start those strikes. And then the judge will swear those jurors in and give preliminary instructions. Now, the state says for their opening statements, they would like to have about an hour, but they don't think they'll use that much. The defense attorneys pretty much said the same thing. The judge did clarify that no witnesses will be called on Monday, and everyone's expected to be back Monday, 9 a.m. We're live in Brunswick. MARILYN Parker, Channel 4, the local station.